Hello, welcome to my video helping you complete today's homework assignment. So the very first question, once you log into bigideasmath.com, says plot the ordered pair in a coordinate plane. Well, what this is a coordinate plane, or sometimes people call it a graph. Now this is the ordered pair that you need to plot. This first number tells you where you go right or left. The second number tells you where you go up or down. You always start here in the middle at 0, 0. And the first number is 5, so that means I move to the right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the second number is 0, so that means I don't move any up or down. I just plot my point right there at 5, 0. I can check my answer, and I have it right. All right, second question says to plot 2, 4. So once again, I start here in the middle. 2 tells me I move to the right 2. And then 4 tells me I move up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is where I would plot my point, and that is my answer to question number 24. Second one, remember 0 means I don't move any right or left, but then I would go up 3. 1, 2, 3, and plot my point right there. Thanks for watching.